What if I told you some warships carry more people than small towns? An aircraft carrier isn't just a ship, it's a floating city. The first carriers were surprisingly simple, just flat decks built to launch a handful of airplanes. But as aircraft became more important, the carriers had to evolve fast. Runways grew larger, radar systems became smarter. Entire workshops, hospitals, kitchens, and command centers were built inside. Today, a modern aircraft carrier can carry around 5,000 sailors and crew. It has its own medical facilities, power stations, food storage, even a post office. Some are powered by nuclear reactors, allowing them to operate for years without refueling. The real strength isn't the ship alone, it's the carrier strike group surrounding it: destroyers, cruisers, submarines, and supply ships, all working together as one force. That means a country can move air power almost anywhere there's an ocean without relying on foreign air bases. Supporters see aircraft carriers as unmatched tools for deterrence and rapid response. Critics argue they are becoming increasingly vulnerable to modern missiles and drones. Even so, for nearly a century, these floating cities have changed how nations project military power across the globe. And their future depends on a simple question: can the world's biggest ships stay ahead of the world's fastest missiles?